Who do you think this is, Indy? Let me move my truck. You go round and round and round. All right, I got Iron Mike over. What do you say, Mike? We are mostly him, but I'm now helping. Cleaning up the pole barn so we can get implements in here and clean up this mess.
This is nice, being able to move around the shop with equipment. Pop a wheelie.
Okay, I'll video Mike, you unload it. Let me get in there. Okay, here's a quick after look. We've made it 2/3 of the way to accomplishing the full mission. We got these boxes to sort out yet, and that mower is going. And then we're hoping to put implements kind of in a row here, but we're making progress. We got Mike put up 1, 2, 3 new sets of shelves. So we're working on it. The boat here is out of the way because I haven't used it. And the implements here, matter of fact, I'm going to try and offload that tree planter, but the implements are going to kind of go in order of how I'm hoping to just have a row straight across here. That was the ultimate plan in the beginning, but we'll see how it goes. But it's good progress.
Hey guys, Mike, I'm over here at Joe's again from Kapper Outdoors, and we're getting there slowly but surely. I got all this lumber out of the floor here. Got that shelf built over there. Got all the seed and the concrete set up pretty good over there. But today's plan is right here. All this. Move those shelves out, build a shelf up above them there, and come right over to the end of this one right here. So that's where we're at. I'm set up here, ready to go. Got my Kapper resistant technology tape measure there. Thanks, Joe, I appreciate it. And I'm going to move that lawnmower and four-wheeler back, see if I can just push them. I'm going to clean that corner out and get started, so stick with me. We'll see what we can get done today. Looking good, though. Looking real good. As you can see, got those 3 shelves pulled, everything moved, took about an hour. We are ready to start building a shelf back here, so stay tuned and see what kind of progress we make. I believe it's going to be pretty nice. We'll see. Got a good start. It's getting dark on me. 16-foot shelf. Put a leg on it there. So there it is. All I gotta do is deck it, get the cabinets back. So, okay guys, so today I'm gonna finish up by sheeting that shelf up there that I built. Get the plywood on it, which is right here. And I'm also gonna build some dollies to set some of this equipment on where we can roll it around. Some 4x6 platforms with dolly wheels. So I'm already set up here. Got a jig set up where every board cuts the same. I'm going to start whacking them out. Stick with me. I've got my plywood cut and laid up there, but Ran out of screws. Joe's going to have to pick me up some more screws. Otherwise, I'm screwed. Bless. There's a look at it, Joe. It's not sucked down. Left a little overhang on this end. Ain't no screws in it. It's just laying there. But that's it. We're going to put a workbench right here. Running this plug in over to this pole. Should be good to go. Anyway, I'll finish up tomorrow. I'll have Joe pick me up some screws this evening or in the morning, and we'll go from there.
Right, we got Iron Mike just finishing the new workbench.
Getting there.
It's going to be sweet. Okay, Mike found his new bunk.
Hey, what do you think about the new bunk, Joe?
Nice.
I like it.
So this was Mike's idea, the
Hey,
workbench.
It also functions as a workbench when I'm not sleeping on it.
And a nice new shelf up there, and we fit the old ones underneath it. Totally awesome. Totally. Can't show you the rest of the project yet. That'll be a separate video. But you'll see it soon with as far as the implements. So got this. It's getting really close. That's a new shelf. This is a new shelf. And then we got that one, and then we got that one over in the corner. So stay tuned here. We're going to have to call it a day right now, but we'll finish this up soon, and this place will be organized. All these implements. Looks good. Plenty of room. It's going to be even better. Are going to be all organized. Ain't that right, Mike?
That's right, man. We got this under control.
Big time. And I wanted to say thanks for motivating me, because I sure wasn't getting it done on my own.
That's okay. We got her done, don't we?
All right. And I'm going to motivate him right now to work on his antenna tower here pretty soon.